Hi, Linda Anderson here from Linda Lou Creates, and I thought I would pop on live today just to share something with you. But first, let me make sure, because this is actually take two, because my first video was upside down. Okay, there we go. I see it, and we're straight up. Okay, I wanted to share with you my class to go this month. I am featuring the stamp set Positive Thoughts out of the mini catalog and a coordination product. It is the dies called Nature's Thoughts. Now, purchase both of these at my online store. I will have a link listed below so that you'll be able to go to my store, purchase both of them. First of all, you will qualify for some Saleabration product, and that's fantastic. So for $50, you will be able to choose something for free. If you add on more and get it up to $100, there's even more that you could pick from. But to start, just by purchasing these two products, the stamp set and the dies, like I said, you will be eligible for a Saleabration product. The other thing is, I will then send you the kits to create 6 cards using your new stamp set. I ask that you use the Hostess Code. This will also be then in the description, so don't worry about that if I move this out of screen. But I wanted to share with you the 6 cards then that you will receive, the kits that you can create then with your new stamp sets and dies. So you will receive all of the consumables, the paper, the gems, any ribbons and bows. You will receive that, so, and the tutorial then on how to make all of it. So here is first card, and we have another one here. All right. Okay, number 3. I don't know which one's my favorite. I'm kind of leaning towards this one and another one that's coming up. So I'll tell you which one there in a second. So some of them I leave blank inside. That way I can write my message. This one is a fun fold card, where this is the part then that opens up. This is the one that I think is my favorite, just because black and yellow, you know, being from Pittsburgh, black and gold, that's my favorite. So anyway, I think this one is my favorite as well. And one more right here. So like I said, it all features the stamp set and the dies. I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of the cards then that you will receive, the card kits that you will get featuring the papers. Everything cut, ready to go. All you need to do is add ink and your stamps and dies. And here they are again. So like I said, purchase these two, and this will be the class that I send to you in the mail. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask below in the comments. I will get back to you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Bye now.